My friends Edithee and Lucy are cat lovers and they rescue kittens and stray cats to place them in loving homes. I wanted to support her and her project by donating a cat nest bed. All the options I saw online were too expensive, so I decided to build her a cat nest bed for 5 cats made with PVC. First I designed it on this free DIYer app, and it also gave me the list of parts. Now let me show you step by step how we did this. First, we ordered special parts like the 3-way outlets and T-female slips on Amazon. I also got some special toys for these furry friends you'll see ahead in the video. The first step is to measure and cut all your 1-inch PVC pipes. You can find the exact measurements on the list of parts I mentioned earlier. Then, with a PVC pipe cutter, you can cut all the parts you need. Remember that safety is important, so make sure to have your special gloves on during the building process. These are all the parts you'll be needing for this project. Once you have all the parts ready, make sure to sand them in case they are dirty. And if they aren't, we still recommend doing this since it helps the paint to avoid getting easily scratched. This is a very easy project for DIYers, and we will start from the top to the bottom. You'll grab your 4 3-way outlets and 6 1-inch PVC pipes with a length of 15.7 inches. Use PVC cement and remember that it dries very fast, so be careful. So you'll connect 4 15.7-inch PVC pipes with the 3-way connectors, and the other 2 pipes will be placed on the 3-way outlets on your right. Then grab your 2 pipes with a 6.3 inches pipe length and place them on the 3-way outlet on your left. This is how it should look. As you can see, your 6.3-inch pipe is connected to a 7.9-inch pipe through a 3-way outlet. Make sure to double check the measurements of the pipes and where you are placing them, since the cement is very strong. We are now going to build the frame for the base of this cat nest bed. Grab 4 4-way outlets and connect the 4 15.7-inch PVC pipes to form the base. Then add 2 15.7-inch PVC pipes and 2 7.9 inches pipes to the other 4-way outlets. The legs are made out of 3-inch high PVC pipes. Now we will place the frame we built before, which will be the middle base. One side connects to the 7.9 inches pipes and the other connects to the 6.3 inches pipes on the 3-way outlet. As you can see, the structure has holes for the 4-way outlets pointing to the front. This is where we will place the third section of the cat nest bed. For this section, you'll glue together 2 3-way outlets to a 15.7-inch pipe. Then add this finished part to the 15.8-inch PVC pipe tube. You'll then glue the rest of the 15.7-inch long PVC pipes to the 3-way outlet. You can always go back to the 3D design and confirm the measurements and where the part should be placed in case you have any doubts. We recommend not gluing this section so you can move around this cat nest bed easily by disassembling it. Also, here is where the rotating pipes should be placed. The rolling pipes are 1.5 inch and 30 inches long. And finally, let's give the structure the desired finish. We use a primer of gray paint and then brown paint. Make sure to cover each inch of pipe. You should also sand the 3-way and 4-way outlets and the T-slips so the paint doesn't fall easily. I also added some rope to the rotating pipes and added Velcro to the fabric so it could come off easily on laundry days. I love the results, and it only cost around $50 with all the extras. Once I arrived, I did some final touches and added all the toys. The cats were curious about their new beds and loved the toys. Felix took the hammock section and was excited about the tube with rope. Mr. George added his favorite mattress. If you want to build your cat nest bed, I left the free design here. Lucy was so happy. This is a mission accomplished.